Channel 3 early warning weather.
All right, the wind will remain up. In fact, it could intensify a little bit more as we head through the course of our afternoon into the evening hours before subsiding tonight. And while we do have some clouds, of course, scattered across the state, early warning pinpoint Doppler showing that we are currently dry. And that's the way we will remain, maybe a sprinkle this afternoon. Temperatures right now 63 to 65 along the shoreline, inland from 62 in Hartford to still mid 60s in the northwest hills. And that wind is up. These are the most recent sustained winds between 15 and 30 miles an hour. Gusts this afternoon could reach or exceed 40 miles an hour. There's our view from New Haven. You can see how the clouds moving overhead are casting shadows on the green there. Our view from Waterbury showing some breaks in the clouds, 58 in the Brass City. Our view from Hartford showing more clouds and sunshine, 62. And our view from New London, basically more of the same. So we'll see intervals of sun and likely become a little bit brighter as the afternoon progresses. Temperatures inland top out in the mid 60s. The exception would be the northwest hills, probably near 60 there. Along the shoreline, equally as warm as inland Connecticut, if not a degree or two warmer. Milder, given that we've got this wind coming in off the land as opposed to off the cooler water of the sound. So looking at the big picture, of course, we had those scattered showers yesterday. We missed out on the heavier rain that fell just to the north of Connecticut. And with regard to that frontal system yesterday, that area of low pressure up across the Gulf of Maine, that's the initial front. We've got that drier air filtering in on that west-northwesterly wind. Then we've got a reinforcing shot of some cooler air off to our west that's going to be arriving, but it's not too terribly cold and it's going to be short-lived. So overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures dip into the upper 30s and low 40s. Meanwhile, the wind this afternoon gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour. That's the case right on through the evening commute. But as we head toward and after sunset, the wind will start to diminish a bit. It will become less noticeable as we head through the day tomorrow. So a breezy start to our Saturday, but a much calmer wind by tomorrow afternoon. So Futurecast, as we step you through this evening into the overnight hours, a quick moving disturbance could touch off some rain and even snow showers while we're sleeping. This is the situation at 2 a.m. It's not going to amount to anything. It's not going to have an impact, and it will be done and over by daybreak tomorrow with the sun coming out as it rises. Plenty of sun on tap for our Saturday. Some late day clouds could filter in. And then as we head into our Sunday, there's a chance again tomorrow night while we're sleeping for maybe a sprinkle or an isolated shower. Then looking for Sunday to likely feature perhaps more clouds than sunshine. So not as bright as tomorrow, but temperatures actually trend a little bit warmer. So on an early warning 7-day forecast, 60 to 65 tomorrow, back to near 70. And with enough sunshine, we could go above 70 over the second half of the weekend, especially inland. Then Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday of next week, a lot of uncertainty with regard to a very active weather pattern with multiple chances for rain. We'll start off mild and trend a little bit cooler Tuesday to Wednesday. For shoreline highs this weekend, 63 Saturday, again with a bit of a breeze in the morning, less wind, but more clouds on Sunday, highs in the mid 60s.